Good day, everyone. I'm here again, Ulushola, aka Shirley Best. In this video, I want to show you how you can make $10 to $1,000 free. Now, there is a new exchange called SuperEx. Now, this exchange is giving out its coin called ET. The ET is equivalent to ET is equivalent to $1. Okay, now you can get free because they are giving it free. It costs you zero naira or zero charges. Okay, now the next thing to do is go to the description right now, click on my referral link there. So as you click on my referral link to register, you will be given 10 ET. This 10 ET is equivalent to $10. Okay, now that's the first step. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't skip anything. Then I'll be showing you how to multiply that to minimum of $1,000. Okay, free. Right, now let's get started. Now as you click on my link in the description, it brings you here. Okay, what you need to do here, enter your email here. Okay, because we want to sign up, you can sign up through the email or through the mobile. I prefer you sign up using email. Okay, now with this, now let's move on. You enter your email here, then you enter your password here. Okay, this is the referral ID. Don't touch this place. Now the next thing, then before I leave the password side, for the password, let your password contain alphabets, capital letter and figure. Okay, the combination. Now you now click on this to select it. Once you click on it will highlight it, it will look yellowish. Okay, then the next thing is to tap on register. Okay, after clicking on register, a mail will be sent to you. You click the verification code from your email, then you copy it. There will be a space for you after this page. You copy it there to verify. Okay, now you will now be directed to download the app. My advice is don't download the app directly from the Play Store. Let the system direct you to download it so that you won't be downloading a wrong app. Okay, now after registration and the confirmation and the verification, you'll be directed to download it. Download the app, then the next thing is to now log in. Okay, so after downloading the app, you use the app to log in with your email and the password that you use while signing up. Okay, now fine, let's move on. Now let's now log in into the app. Yes, we have logged in now after signing up. Okay, now how to know whether you have been given the 10 ET? Come to your wallet. Okay, this is your wallet here. This is the wallet here. Come to this place, click on wallet. Okay, as you click on wallet, then the next thing, you come to this sports. Click on the sports. Okay, now you can see this is the coin. The SuperEx, they are the exchange, just like Binance, Huobi, and others. Okay, now they have their own coin called ETC. Okay, now you can see now automatically as you sign up, you will be given 10 just free. You'll be given 10 ET. Now look at this place now. 10 ET, the value is $10. So as you sign up, you'll be having this 10 ET, which is the same thing as $10. Okay, now how can you now multiply or increase this free of charge? Now let's move on now. Okay, let's go back to the home page. Let's go back to home. I click on home, then come to this airdrop base. Click on this airdrop base. Okay, tap on it. Now we are here now. There are some little functions that you need to perform here, because this airdrops base now, you are not claiming the airdrop with anything. It's just free. Okay, now this is the first step. We've done that. Instant sign up for SuperEx. We've done that. Okay, that's why we have our 10 ET. I have gotten this. You can see here it wrote completed. Automatically as you sign up, you have that. Now the next thing here is to follow them on Twitter. As you do that, you'll be given 2 ET. Okay, so as you click on follow, you will now enter your Twitter username. Okay, you enter your Twitter account here, and you click on congrats. So you'll be given what? You'll be given 2 ET for doing that. Let's come to the next one, which is Telegram. You join our official Telegram. As you do that, you'll be given 2 ET. Okay, to do that, you click on join. Click on join. Here also you need to enter your Telegram username. Here also enter your Telegram username and tap on congrats. Okay, it will lead you to the Telegram, then you click on join to join the Telegram. For doing that, you will be receiving 2 ET, and from the Telegram you'll be receiving direct messages or notification from the officials. Okay, now the next one is as you start depositing, you will have your 5 ET. If you want to do that, you click it from here, but for now you can still hold on that. Okay, now immediately enter future transaction. As we enter the future transaction, okay, you will have 10 ET. The next one is begin sports transaction. As you start your sports transaction, you will have another 10 ET. Now the next one here is to introduce or invite a friend to sign up. This is the method here. If you can refer or invite your friend or anybody you can invite, you'll be given 10 ET per signing up, and this thing is free. not that they are signing up with so amount. No, it's free. Just send your referral link to them, then let them register. Tap on this invite. Okay, as you click on invite, it brings you down here. So this is your referral link. This is your referral ID. For the second one here, this is your referral link. So how will you copy that? Just tap on this, tap on the icon here, tap on this icon here to copy it. It's as simple as that. So as you tap here, it will copy all the link for you. Now send to whoever you want to send it to, through SMS, through email, through WhatsApp or whatever. As they are using your link to sign up, they will be getting 10 ET. You also will be getting 10 ET. Okay, now let's do some calculation. Yeah, how to turn that your 10, the first 10 ET to minimum of 1000. For example, let's say 100. Let's say 100, you have 100 sign up with your referral. Now multiply it by 10. So which means you'll be having 1000 ET. Okay, and don't forget 1 ET equivalent to what? To 1 USD, which means you'll be having 1000 USD. Okay, now for inviting how many? Just 100 to sign up. Okay, now fine, let's see if you can do more. You'll be having, and this is free. And another advice I can give is, the more you have people signing up with your referral, the more you have the 10 ET. Okay, so now those are the other method or other way to accumulate it. And this is one of the way you see people turn into millionaires in a short period of time through crypto. So if you can take the advantage of this exchange, and this exchange, if already started trading, if you want to know, come to this side, click on the trade. You see trading has already started. Mind you, this free ET they are giving now, they can stop it at any point in time. So it's advisable to utilize the opportunity. Okay, now the more people you refer, the more you earn. So you can turn that the minimum of 10 initial 10 ET to minimum of 1000 or more in a short period of time. So I advise you, make use of the opportunity and continue with it. Okay, now if you click on this wallet, now let's click on this wallet. Okay, you can see deposit, withdraw, transfer. You have so many features there. You can see different coins. Okay, they are just like finance. Okay, now utilize the opportunity, sign up, go to the description, sign up with my link and enjoy the free ET, which is the free dollar. Okay, thank you so much. If you like my video, give it a thumb up, share it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe so that you can have my other release of the video. Thank you so much. God bless. See you in the next video. Bye.